Because if it was, I would have cleaned it up myself.
There's more
This is
tracks.
property of George Stoka.
There's more tracks.
Individual who rebuilds diesel locomotives
more tracks.
for smaller shipping companies.
There's more tracks.
If you look beyond all his junk, you can see a couple of railroad tracks.
Go to the
Yeah,
bridge.
main line railroad
I
tracks.
guess there's faster.
There are
There's
Class
another
1
train.
regional railroad here in the United States. On these tracks, you can see up to 30 or more trains per day.
That's not
So you never know, you may see a passing freight train. This red building here was part of Powder Lumber and Coal
Why
Company.
is it that's a bridge? I'm gonna go like that. Oh my
Now coming up, if you're all quiet, you can hear the train horn of our streetcar here.
Why are the gates closed?
For those of you rail fans here, you may recognize that. That's Long Short Long.
The train is
Standard
moving.
practice for all railroads here in the United States.
Now where are we going? Now where are we
Now, if you want to look
going?
out your windows, you'll be going up the bridge over 161. Now on the left side of the car, you can see two other railroad bridges. The close one is NS. The far one is actually CSX. It's the other mainline railroad that we parallel on the tracks. Oh, that's the track. Now on either side of the car, you have railroad equipment, or a creek, or a ravine. I like to look out that side of the car. All these railroad cars here on the left side are our equipment. This is all our freight equipment. We have 2 box cars, 5 box cars, and 1 flat car. All the box cars are filled with extra products and materials that we need to rebuild some of our cars that we have. Now, if you look around now, I don't see any railroad junk, and I don't see any This is very difficult.
Where you going? Were you going to race on those 2 tracks?
They would jump between city and city and go through
Like
scenery
this?
like this all the
Did you
time.
do my path?
It was because of this that we were going here and that we're currently holding today, Fall College. Actually, this is the last day
We're
of
looking at
the year.
2 tracks. And we're going back. Is the train going back? Look.
Now, coming up on the left side, if you look up on the mainline track, you can see a couple buildings from a signal. This is part of Manhattan and CSX high-speed crossover. Many of you have seen it during sales or even during printing, writing out stuff. They form the text in the middle. Exactly what this tells you. Only it doesn't move around the top.
Oh, look, there's a tree.
This is because the MS track actually has to go east.
There's one tree.
And they're on this side, and they're north.
No, we're
They
not.
should be on the other side. CSX kind of ends here in Columbus.
No, we're not going to. Well, we're not going to crash. We're not going to.
Brakes don't work, we wait. We have currently reached the end of our line.
Conductor has to go.
As some of you can see if you're looking out the front, we do actually have a track
Conductor has to
for
go.
about 300 more feet. However, a incident with a tree and losing a couple of telephone poles separated shortened our track by about 300 feet.